Hi everyone and welcome back to one more video for Lite Food. Do you know eating salad is the best way to have every kind of nutrient, and more of all you can eat them raw. You don't have to add a lot of oil and spices for the flavors, and above all the cooking time is really less. So today we will make two salad recipes, the chicken salad and the chickpea salad, that are super delicious and super simple to make. But before that, let's go and buy some stuffs for the salad. So I have got a few things for our salad, so let's go to our kitchen and make the recipes. So here I have 1 cup of chickpea. I had soaked them in water overnight. So now I'm just going to add salt to taste and cook them till tender. The chickpeas are perfectly boiled. Now I'm going to cook these chickpeas in tomato puree. And for that, I'm going to take 2 medium-sized tomatoes, cut them into pieces, put them in a blender and blend it to smooth puree. So the tomato puree is ready. So to cook the chickpeas, first I'm going to add a tablespoon of oil to this, the tomato puree. And I will let the tomato puree to cook for 1 minute. Once the tomato is cooked for a minute, I'm going to add a little bit of salt. We have already added salt to the chickpea, so just a pinch of salt and half a teaspoon of curry powder to give it a nice flavor, and finally 2 cups of boiled chickpeas. And now I will cook the chickpeas in the tomato till it's dry. So the chickpeas are perfectly cooked and ready for the salad. So finally, let's make the chickpea recipe. For that, I am taking 2 cups of cooked chickpea in a bowl. Next, I'm going to add the mixed cabbage. This is a green cabbage, red cabbage and a carrot mix. All of them are shredded. And next, I'm going to add a little bit of iceberg lettuce. Next, a little bit of cucumber. It's looking beautiful. And then just a little bit of shredded onions. And before I mix it, I'm going to add a little bit of red chili flakes, just a little, 1 teaspoon. And then I'm going to add about a tablespoon of curd to this salad. And to balance all the flavors, the chilies, the salt, I'm going to add a pinch of sugar to this curd. And now I'm just quickly going to mix this salad. This is looking lovely. This is all done. I'm just going to serve it in a bowl. Just garnish the salad with some freshly chopped coriander leaves, and that's it. So to make the chicken salad, here I have taken around 150 grams of boneless chicken breast fins. To this I'm going to add water and some salt to taste, and then I'm going to boil the chicken till cooked. So as you can see, the chicken is perfectly boiled. I'm just going to pull apart the chicken pieces for the salad. Using 2 forks, just pull apart the chicken pieces, or you can also cut them using a knife. Make sure the chicken pieces are very small. So I don't like the completely boiled chicken in my salad, so what I'm going to do is that saute the chicken on the pan with a little bit of oil to get that brown grilled look. And to saute the chicken, add a tablespoon of cooking oil and the shredded chicken. And on a high heat, I'm just going to cook this for a minute or 2, just to get that brown grill look of the chicken. So the shredded chicken is ready for our salad. And now to make the chicken salad, first I'm going to take the boiled chicken. I have just fried them in oil for a minute. To this, I'm going to add the mixed cabbage. A lot of mixed cabbage in this, finely shredded, and then the iceberg lettuce. You can also add the red-headed lettuce, just whatever you like. So I'm not going to add the cucumbers to the chicken salad because it doesn't taste good. So a little bit of onion, a pinch of salt to taste the veggies, and red chili flakes, and a little bit of black pepper powder, and finally a tablespoon of sour cream. And now I'm going to give it a quick mix. So the sour cream is a dairy product in which lactic acid is added to thicken and sour the heavy cream. Heavy cream has more fat content and is naturally thicker. Where you can actually cook the heavy cream on high temperature, sour cream can only be used as garnish, dip or condiment. So instead of the mayonnaise, you can add the sour cream. And I'm almost done. Just going to take this out in a bowl. So thank you so much for watching the video. I'm sure you loved it. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for notification. Comment and share the video with your loved ones. I will see you in one more video. Till then, goodbye, take care and stay healthy.